what we focus on in Chinese medicine for detox is this. So the body naturally detoxes, right? Our
Right.
body's born with the ability to detox by itself. And to simplify it, how do we do that? It's through bowels, urine, and sweat. That's how we naturally eliminate toxins from our body. We have organs within our body that help process the toxins and puts those toxins to the bowels, urines, and sweat. Right. So when I talk about detox and from a Chinese medicine standpoint, we are talking about getting those organs that are responsible for helping you process those toxins, restoring their function. So we're restoring your detox organs functioning so that they can start cleaning up your body again by itself, without outside interference, without outside help. Let's look at all the organs that are supposed to be detoxing your body. Why aren't they doing it by themselves? And let's help them restore their function. Now, we're not just saying, hey, now, we do prescribe herbs and supplements, but we're not using herbs and supplements to force your body just to poop and pee. We're actually using herbs and supplements to restore those functions. Everybody knows the liver detoxes. So let's just use that as an example. We are using treatments to help restore your liver function so that it can detox your body by itself.